Hey guys, how's it going? Onion Man here. Merry Christmas. Christmas has come and gone now. And just want to show you one gift that I bought with some money I got. I'm going to do an unboxing here for it. It is the Echo Show 5. I wanted to get this mainly for like using it as an alarm clock actually. I know it's an expensive alarm clock, but nowadays you probably pay at least $30 for an alarm clock. And I got this for like $65 on sale. I think they go for about $90 regular price. But it was on sale because of Boxing Day. So picked one up. And yeah, let's take a look what's inside. I do not know much about these. I have a regular Alexa as well as Google Home that I use quite often. I also have the Pixel, which I use with my Google Home as well. So I do have smart devices. I actually have some videos on them if you guys want to check them out. I'll put them in the link down below as well as in the description above. But yeah, I have quite a few devices. They're just older ones. I think my Echo Dot is Gen 2. So it's a little bit older one. Amazon Echo Show 5. So just this is like a quick start guide thing. Kind of shows you what to all set up and stuff. This looks like the warranty paper, which nobody reads. And then on the bottom we got a very large power adapter. Okay. 15 watt. Wow. As you can see it there. 15 watt. It's like this big massive brick. And it has like a really weird end too. I thought maybe they'd use like USB-C, but I guess you just don't really need to use this power adapter for anything else, so whatever. And then I think that's it for the box. And then we have the Echo Show 5 itself. It's all wrapped in plastic. Let's take that off. This is the charcoal color. I think they have a gray, like a gray color, sort of like the, it's kind of like a grayish white almost. Very similar to what the Echo, or not the Echo, the Google Home has. It's not called gray, but it is very similar to gray. So on this thing, you got like a rubber bottom, I guess, so it doesn't slide around your desk or nightstand or whatever you're putting it onto. I think they also sell actual stands to elevate it a little bit separately. Depending on how this sits, I might get one, but we'll see. There's a speaker on the bottom, all the way along the bottom here. Looks like there's two microphones right on top between the buttons here. There is also your volume buttons as well as looks like a mute button. And then there's also this shutter thing here for the camera. So when it's white like that, it's closed, and then it's for privacy kind of things. There's people out there that like hacking stuff, so just for your own personal privacy. I think every device should have that, but they unfortunately don't. So what else do we got here? Right on the back, there is your power adapter hole. Actually, looks like there is a USB. There's micro USB. Maybe you can use that to charge it, maybe? Unless you can power it through a USB, maybe too. Maybe it's a second option, maybe. I don't know. And there's also AV audio jack thing there for, I don't know, like plugging your phone in if you don't have Bluetooth on your phone, or some old MP3 player or something. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so let's just go through the setup here, and then we can test some of the different features it has. Select that.
Hello. Ready for setup.
That is loud. Then you want to set up your Wi-Fi. That one don't want to choose that one. Yeah. Just put in my password here. Once you put in your password, you just wait until it's connected. Hopefully it connects soon. There we go. And then you want to put in your email for your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can go to amazon.ca or .com, whatever one you're using. Whatever country you're in. You can set it to a certain room. I'm going to choose bedroom because that's going to be for my nightstand. I'm going to hit continue. You can set up all your app stuff if you want. And then some information. It's updating. Download the updates.
Updating this device.
This shouldn't take too long depending on what your internet's like. Once it does updates, it'll restart, and apparently it's going to restart twice at some point. So it does it once, I guess, for certain things, and then it'll go again later. So I'm just going to let that go through, and then we can continue on with the setup here. Okay, we're almost done here.
This device is ready.
And there we go. Now you can go in, you can adjust your alarm you want, your notifications, stuff in the app. If you don't have the app, you gotta download the Amazon app. And you have a whole bunch of different customization things or skills and stuff you want to add to it. You can change your clock face. And yeah, that is basically all the main setup of it. So that is the Echo Show 5. So far, my impressions is this is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to put this. I've had my just regular alarm clock that I use with my time and stuff. I had that since I was like 10 years old. So this will be a nice upgrade from that. And it has so many more features I can use. And I have all my smart lighting and stuff which I can hook up yet. So yeah, it's going to be really awesome. I'm going to go play around with this and see how everything works. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm going to try to be doing more videos in the new year, so stick around, subscribe, and enjoy. As always, guys, I will see you guys soon.